The countdown begins. 2 hours until our big reveal. Down to an hour and a half, I think. 10:30 is coming fast. 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock, guys. The countdown begins. I'll check in at 9:30.
So our countdown has moved up to 11:30.
20 minutes left. Maybe it's a big purchase, maybe it's, I don't know, we'll see. But we're not done on our full-time RVing. We're getting something new, something different. It's coming to you guys.
Tell someone's very excited.
I'm excited. Forest River, we love you.
Houston had it up at like 6, 4, 6.
I've been up since like...
Someone's a little excited.
I've been up since like 4. Sent the guy a message about 6 o'clock. Let him just see how he was doing, you know. Check on him. Yeah. I don't know if you guys have ever done a process like this with a hot shot or anything.
Look how long your freaking hair is getting. What the heck, Houston?
Yeah. So I don't know if you guys have ever went through this process with a hot shot, but I'm gonna give you guys a few recommendations from my point of view. Whatever they're hauling, whatever they have for you, or whatever they're bringing from somewhere to here, you should just check on them, make sure they're doing all right. Let them know that, hey, if you guys need something, we're here. Just reach out, you know. Treat them like, try and take care of them. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, the more that they know that you want to take care of them, they're going to take care of your stuff. That's what I think. I hope, anyway. So we'll bring you guys along with us. We have about... What time is it? How much longer do we have?
Oh, we're almost to an hour.
Down to an hour and a half, I think. Just because it's a little windy, I don't want to rush him, and I hope he's not rushing just to.
So we were gonna do a super long video, but honestly, this changed my perspective a lot on buying a camper new. You know, like, you need to research who you're buying it from, because we got lucky. Forest River does have a bigger manufacturer. I don't know if all of them
Forest River, we love you.
I don't know if all of them do. Brinkley, I know, does. Grand Design does. And I know, I mean, Forest River we can personally speak on. So
we've owned Forest River, and our other one was, I don't even remember.
Yeah, I don't either. But you need to find a brand that's gonna back their product, and that's the biggest thing. Is like, they normally do come with a year warranty. I know our roof has a 10-year warranty, and then we bought a longer warranty as well. So you just need to make sure that they're gonna back their product. And if you're having any problem with who you purchase it through, whether it's Camping World, Bish's, Blue Compass, or whatever you guys have, contact the manufacturer. You can Google is an amazing thing now, and you can literally Google and get a phone number for anything, an email address for anything, and they'll help you.
Yes.
And the company that you purchased the camper through should know the phone number too, because if they sell the product, they have to work with them. So they should have it, but if they're giving you any problems, just find the phone number, and I guarantee you, the manufacturer, if you're within that year and you don't have an extended warranty, they will work with you. And I'm sure they'll work with you after. You'll probably have to pay something, but you'll know that the work's gonna get done, and I guarantee you it'll get done quicker than taking it to wherever
that may be. But until then, like, subscribe, show our friends, don't miss out, because 10:30 is coming fast. So you guys are gonna watch this video, or you're not gonna want it. You're not gonna want to watch this video. You're gonna really want to watch this video, especially if you're it's
kind of like a relief.
Yeah, I mean, this is like
a
month. Maybe it's a big purchase, maybe it's, I don't know, we'll see. But
it's just a relief. But
it's a relief at the end of it. We're on the end of our stretch with our full-time RVing. We're not done on our full-time RVing. We're getting something new, something different. It's coming to you guys.
Can tell someone's very excited.
I'm excited. I'm ready. Look at my hair, man. My hair is long, man.
Mr. I've never had long hair doesn't understand you have to moisturize it, and so who takes care of it the most?
My baby.
Although we won't have product for it until we get something back, but.
And then we won't. Yeah, what are we gonna do? We have something coming for you guys in April. April 1.
we're trying a whole bunch of stuff out this year.
And we're gonna try different things. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try and we spent a lot of money this past summer, so we're gonna try and do it a different way and see if we can save some money, so we could do something different. We want to do something different. If we haven't bought something new yet, we're gonna buy something new.
I think it's kind of. I think what we're gonna do is the summer months. We're gonna do what we're gonna end up doing, and then in the winter months, I don't know. I like enjoying life with our kids, and I want to be able to, like, I don't know, do something fun.
So where should we go, like, next winter? Well, you guys drop that in the comments down below. This is our new thing. Drop it down in the comments below. We've been doing this with, like, food places.
You guys have been commenting some awesome comments.
Yeah, and we love your guys' comments. We love to see that you guys enjoy our content, or yeah, and we love your feedback. But
we're on day 21 of posting 30 days straight. We missed the 2nd, and then I think it was like the 16th or something. Or no, it was the 18th we missed, but I posted twice on the 19th. So we basically didn't mess up the challenge. But we were very sick, so we cut ourselves.
Yeah, we've had this flu. So since we got the flu taken care of, you know, we had to get Billy Bob right. But anyway, let's take you guys along with us today. Like, subscribe, show our friends. Drop a comment where you think we should go this winter, this next winter, or this summer.
We're not doing this winter like this.
No, we're not. We don't want to build a Billy Bob here. We want to go somewhere else.
Was it terrible?
Nah.
No. Could we do it? Yes. But me and Houston.
We should probably have some skirting though.
I don't want to do this. Like I'm kind of.
Sorry, guys.
No, I just like full hookups. I know that's bad, but I just really like full hookups. When you have all these kids, it's such a freaking production to go get them a shower. It's such a production to go do so much.
Yeah, but we could make it happen, you know. I think if we upgrade our tanks or something, we could do that. But anyway, listen, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Drop it down where we should go. You guys name like 10 places. We'll put it on a wheel. We'll spin it. We'll go there.
No, it's Disney World, Disneyland, or somewhere else.
Nah, I'm over Disney this next year. We don't want to go to Disney.
What if we went to like Disney, Hong Kong, or Japan, or China?
Nah.
Japan's Disney's supposed to be super cheap.
But then, see, so the problem with going to Japan is I am a car enthusiast. I love cars. So if I go to Japan, I got to send a car home.
No, you don't.
You have to. You can't go to Japan and see the nastiest, like, beautifulest, most beautifulest car.
We won't be sending a car.
Yes,
home.
we will.
No.
I will send a GTR or something crazy home, and I will, like, put it. I'll buy a what's that called? A toy hauler, and I'll put it in the back of there, and we'll drive around. Yeah.
Honey.
What?
Japan is an island.
Yeah, you have to ship it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So. Japan's an island. How are you going to get the car from Japan?
They really put them in cargo, on cargo trailer.
Not trailers.
No, they put it in a boat.
It's an island.
Yeah, they put it in a boat and one of them cargo containers.
Okay, I'm glad we're on the same page because people are going to get you with that one. It's an island.
Whatever. I'm shipping it. I will ship it. I'll put it on a Air Force plane.
I don't think the Air Force is going to do it for us, but okay.
I'm over Disney. I want to do something different, like a cruise. Should we do like a Rolling with the Sanchezs cruise or something?
A Disney cruise.
A Disney cruise? But like.
Oh, I got you to agree with something Disney. Okay, we'll do Disney cruise. You know what sucks? At the beginning of this year, they were doing buy an adult, get a kid for free.
Yeah, and I don't know why you didn't do that. You told me about it like 10 times. You should have just did it.
Did you not see what our life has consisted of?
9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock, guys. The countdown begins. I'll check in at 9:30.
Like I was telling Houston that I was worried about, the guy set is going to be an hour late, so our countdown has moved up to 11:30, but it says west winds 30 to 40 miles an hour with a gust of 65 miles an hour.
You see the shirt? We are rolling with Sanchezs. We get it done. Just like the hotshot guy. He's going to get it done today. So,
I knew it was going to be windy. I love Wyoming.
listen. When you are a hotshot guy or whatever it may be, okay, they get the job done. If they need to pull over, they'll pull over.
Daddy, get up.
Oh, man.
So this is the cabin we've lived in for a month.
This is a cabin. Don't mind the mess. We're cleaning it up. We're just getting stuff all over the place. Cause, yeah.
So, long story short, there used to be a heater right here, but the fire chief.
There was a heater there?
Or there was a heater somewhere in here, but the fire chief flagged it as a fire warning. So.
Fire hazard.
There were no heaters. Thankfully, Houston's dad let us borrow two. But this is what it looks like.
Yeah, let's crank them up.
This is the bed that we shared with. Ruben. There's Graceland's bunk bed. There's Carter's bunk bed.
Yo, 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 what are you guys doing? 20 minutes left until we go, until we retrieve whatever we're getting or whatever's coming. Something is coming, so you guys are going to hit that follow button. I promise. It's been a crazy little ride this morning for the guy, I'm sure, because it's been windy, but I think he's going to get it done, so we'll let you guys know in here in about 20 minutes. We're on our way to go meet him, so. All right, guys, you see it here. You guys seen it first. How are you?
Good, good.
I'm just, so we content create, that's what we do.
Oh, do you?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
No, man.
Thank you.
Nope. So I did have to take off your bracket.
Okay.
Just so I could put mine or the chain flip
Okay.
up. For myself. I got a little diesel heater I run.
That's pretty cool. This is sweet. I thought you had a dually or something. That's how do you like it? Do you have bags on here or anything?
No, this thing's heavy though, man.
Yeah. 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 We have the stabilizers on it, and that does pretty good. Or we have the sumo springs.
Oh,
but then I just lifted it, so.
And then I had to stop it for the injury.
And that's always fun, I'm sure.
They were quick. They were nice. I saw you had this weaved in between the chains.
Uh-huh.
You don't want to do that. You want this separate.
Okay.
Like I have it here. That way, if it breaks loose,
it doesn't.
If those break loose, it'll pull this out of that and it'll lock up your brakes.
Okay. All right. This is awesome. We're definitely glad to have it back.
Oh, I'm glad. What did they have to do? Fix something?
They fixed a lot of stuff, really. They did a lot of fixing, but yeah. So we full time. We do this full time, and we've been staying in a cabin with one one bed, a bunk bed, and there's 6 of us.
Really?
So it's a little easier, but
How long did they have it for?
a month.
Did they have it a while?
Yeah. But my truck was down a month too, so.
Well, that's, you know, I hate to hear the tranny went out. I mean, I'm running the same damn setup, basically.
Oh, are you originally from Indiana, or?
No, I'm originally from Columbus, Ohio.
Okay.
And I live in Michigan.
Oh no.
So we live on Lake St. Clair in Michigan.
Beautiful. Well, that was our first time over there, was to drop this off, and it was just beautiful. We loved it. But
Lake St. Clair's blue like you're in the tropics.
I want to go to Lake Michigan. I want to see it all.
Yeah, yeah. I like that map you got on the back where you guys put where you've been.
Yeah,
that's cool. So did you pick this up in Indiana?
We picked it up here, and then yeah, we didn't want to have it fixed here, so we drove it all the way to Indiana.
So you took it back to
yeah, we took it back to the manufacturer just because.
I didn't know that was the RV capital of the world like it is, you know?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
So, do you hot shot a lot of these RVs? Or
Yeah.
like a lot of RVs?
I got 2 more of them this week.
Oh, really?
To do. So I'll go back and pick up one, and I go to Hope Mills, North Carolina, and then I come back, get one, and go to Chichester, New Hampshire.
They keep you busy though. That's cool. So this is cool. I like your setup and everything. I love this color. So to put the sway bars back on, is it hard to do? Or
No.
I just never.
This.
I just never did it, I guess.
This just clamps over like this.
Okay.
This bar on the inside, this one on the outside, and then these are for these.
Okay. Okay. Let's see where it was really. Right there. Yeah, our bars are a little bit thicker than the ones you have.
Yeah. This thing's heavy, man. You got it loaded up still with all your stuff in it, don't you?
Well, it has a washer and dryer in it.
I figured it had a bunch of stuff in it. As
Yeah.
heavy as it was.
Did they make you get on the scale with it?
No. But I mean, I'm under 26,000. I mean, I'm allowed to pull. I can pull 18.2.
So when do you have to get a CDL?
When your combined weight's over 26,000.
Okay. So you guys, check it out. You know what I'm saying? This is what we do. We got it done. Well, we didn't get it done. Our guy here, Brad, he was able to get it done for us, and we definitely appreciate him. So safe travels to him. So guys, we're gonna open this baby up here in about 20 minutes. So come along with us, like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next one.